Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SHOEGR Care Academy, your go-to place to learn how to keep your favorite shoes looking brand new. So today I'm cleaning a very special pair, which are these KobSook hot-headed skull sneakers that has been created by a very talented, differently able artist. And these kicks are not just about style, it's about creating an impact, which they are definitely making. KobSook sneakers are made from recyclable canvas designed with fade-resistant colors and have a super soft, sweat-absorbent lining inside. Plus, they have an EVA insoles and tongues for amazing comfort and cushioning. I got this pair about a month ago, and since then I've been wearing them everywhere. I really wanted to put them to a test, and honestly, they've held up beautifully. But as you can see, they've definitely picked up their fair share of dirt. Coming to the cleaning process now, and we've already spoken about how comfortable it is, about the design, etc. The main focus of this video is the cleaning, and as you can see, super dirty from the outsoles to the midsoles and the uppers as well. So I'll take the left shoe out for comparison basis later and work my way on the right shoe. So first thing first is removing the laces. Most important step. I'll be using the ultimate kit that comes with sugar clean, 3 brushes and a microfiber towel, because this shoe has EVA material and the rubber and the recyclable material, and it's made of canvas with the colors. First things first is putting a shoe tree, which is important to give a firm base on the inside of the shoe. So the first step, most important crucial step, is to dry brush the entire shoe, and once you do it, trust me, 80% of the effort is reduced just by dry cleaning the shoe. Now let's prepare our sugar clean elixir. We need a collapsible bowl, some water, sugar clean. For the uppers, it's all canvas, so we definitely need to use the soft brush. Now dip it in and start working. So I was a little skeptical that paint nikal sakta hai because it's canvas cloth hai. But luckily there is no bleeding of the color. The color has remained intact as well as the design. So definitely plus points for that. So we're done with the uppers. Moving on to the midsole, I'll be using the medium brush because they're made of rubber. Our midsoles are looking absolutely clean. Now we'll move on to the outsoles, where we'll be using a hard brush. So again, the same step, dip it in and start your way in circular motion. We're done with the outsoles as well, and as you can see, the difference, I can't even talk about it. It's that major. It is actually looking brand new. Look at the midsole, look at the outsoles and the uppers. But we can't forget the laces. Again, all you have to do is dip it in the solution, give it a toss, rub it. Now all you have to do is take one end of the shoelace and the microfiber towel and pull it through. There you go, absolutely clean. Guys, you have to see the journey of how it looks now to where we had begun. And
knock knock, who's there? Pretty as can be. I'ma make your heart leap while I'm making it bleed. Got a spell that I cast, gonna put you underneath. Take a look into my eyes, got you falling in deep. I'm a heartbreaker, a name taker. I'm a storm chaser.
this is how it was when we just started the process. I mean, look at the difference in the midsoles. The outsoles are as brand new. So we had no bleeding of the color. The canvas is undamaged. The midsoles have cleaned absolutely perfectly. Rubber and EVA material as well. I am 110% happy with the results, and hopefully you can see the difference as well. Before I end this video, all I would like to say, support the homegrown brands, support such budding artists, and we are giving you a chance to support KobSook. All you have to do is place an order sneaker on their website, that is www.kobsook.com. Send us a picture and the invoice, and we will share with you an exclusive coupon of 21% off across the website on all sugar products. Please, it's again a humble request, make a purchase and make a difference. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you really liked it. Do share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to love your shoes.